Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mausoleums, or above-ground tombs, were used in the classical world, ancient Greece and Rome. Within a decade of that move, a vestibule was added to the front of the new tomb, where the bodies of George and Martha Washington were placed in marble sarcophagi, which were easily viewed by visitors.
Let's help you make your mark.
George Washington. Washington's tomb is an empty burial chamber 2 stories directly below the rotunda of the United States Capitol building. It was included in the original design of the building by William Thornton and intended to entomb the body of George Washington, the first President of the United States.
Take our lead.
What is inside the Washington Monument? Inside the ground floor lobby, there is a statue of George Washington. An elevator provides transportation to the top floor, the 500 observation deck at the base of the Pyramidion. Stairs connect the observation deck with the ground floor, but they are closed to the public.
Take our lead.
Washington, ABC 7, the rumors are true, the so-called mini-monument exists and it's buried underground in the shadow of the Washington Monument under a utility cover surrounded by grass. Hides one of the what I think is the most fascinating secrets of Washington, D.C.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The tomb in 2018, George Washington died on December 14, 1799, here on his Mount Vernon estate. 4 days later, his body was interred in the Washington family crypt, which was located just down the hill from his mansion, on the banks of the Potomac River.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is anyone buried in the Capitol? No. A tomb area was built for the remains of George Washington beneath the crypt, but his will specified that he wished to be buried at his home at Mount Vernon, and his descendants honored this wish.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.